I traveled from Manchester to Obuse just to see Hokusai, but as I pushed the door open, I found him resting, the ceiling painting I had came for, so close, yet still out of reach, a masterpiece hidden behind the dust of renovation. I used to believe that if I cared enough, every wish would be granted. But now I say, everything moves in its own rhythm. Hokusai did not appear. Perhaps he was simply taking a nap. I did not see the ceiling, but I found myself wandering through these sketches, stumbling upon his most mischievous soul. This serendipity turned out to be more precious than any plan. I stepped out of the museum. The sky was clear, the snow still bright. On the chestnut alley, I had a steaming bowl of soba and a sweet chestnut treat. I got lost in the quiet streets of Obuse. But so what? I could always find my way back. At the station, wires crossing the sky, I looked up, and there they were, the indigo mountains. In that moment, it finally clicked to make peace with what we miss.